If you are migrating from Spreadsheets, HubSpot, Pipedrive, or any other CRM, this guide will show you how to import your data into Fluid CRM in under 5 minutes. Fluid has 2 import paths, contacts and deals. Pick the right one and the rest is just drag, drop and click. Let's break them down quickly. The first decision is whether you are importing contacts or deals. Contacts is the simpler path. Choose contacts if you have prospect list with no active conversations yet. Names, emails, companies, that kind of thing. Most people coming from Google Sheets, Excel or Notion pick this one. Deal import is when you have active sales opportunities you need to keep working on. If you are migrating from HubSpot, Pipedrive, Close, Salesforce or any other CRM, this is usually your path. You upload your deals and Fluid creates the contacts and companies automatically in the background. This saves tons of time and nothing gets lost in the move. Let's start with the contact import and then I'll show you how to import deals. The first step is to upload your data. Go to settings, then data and then import. Pick contacts and drag and drop your list there. Fluid takes CSV files, XLX files and XLSX files up to 10,000 rows per import. If you want a head start, download the Fluid contact import template right here and your data will map automatically. The second step is to map your fields. Fluid auto-detects your CSV columns and suggests matches. Contact name, company, email, phone, job title, website, all of it. Review what Fluid suggests and fix anything that looks off and skip what you don't need. The preview on the right shows exactly what your data will look like once it's in. When the mapping looks right, hit continue to preview. The third step is to preview and import. You'll see how many contacts are ready and how many fields are mapped. Click import and your contacts show up in the contacts page within seconds, depending on your list size. That's it. If anything looks wrong, you can also undo the import within 48 hours and it will delete all of the data that was in the import. Next, let's do the deal import, which has a few extra steps. Here's a quick tip before you start your deal import. If you are migrating from another CRM, set up your Fluid CRM pipeline stages to match your old ones first. If HubSpot had qualified, demo booked, proposal sent, and negotiation, create those same names in Fluid exactly. This one step makes the stage mapping automatic later. If you skip it, no worries, it still works. You just have to map the columns manually. You can edit your stages from pipelines, edit pipeline button. Now let's start the import. The first step is to upload your data. Same as before. Go to settings, then data, then import. But this time pick deals. Drop your CSV there and there's a deals template you can download too if you want field mapping to be automatic as well. The second step is to pick the right pipeline. Tell Fluid which pipeline these deals belong to. If you have multiple pipelines for sales, onboarding, renewables, or whatever, this is where you choose the right one. Step 3 is to map your stages. Fluid pulls every unique stage name from your CSV and lets you match each one onto a Fluid stage. If you replicated your old stage names earlier, this is already done automatically. If not, just drop down each one and pick the one you want. Anything you do not want to bring over, set to skip. Also, if you don't have stage names defined in your CSV, all the deals will be imported in the first stage. Step 4 is to map your fields. Same as the contact import, but with deal specific stuff as well. Contact name, company, email, phone, plus deal value, expected close date, and so forth. Fluid creates the contact person and contact company automatically from deal imports, so you do not need to import them separately. Step 5 is to preview and import. Here you'll see how many deals are ready and how many fields are mapped, the same as in the contact import. Click import and it will be done in seconds. Congratulations, your pipeline is live. Deals are in the right stages, contacts and companies created automatically in the background and you are ready to rock. If you get stuck or if something looks off, just hit the undo import button or email us at hello@fluidcrm.io and we'll sort it out. Otherwise, your data is in and welcome to Fluid.